Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bisanga in Belgium. I'm excited to invite you to the upcoming Afro Hair meeting in Salvador, Brazil. This meeting will be held in October 12 to 15 by the Brazilian Society of Hair Restoration Surgery. So this event will be an opportunity for us to celebrate our Afro Hair. We will have different expert speakers, you have workshop, you have plenty time for networking opportunities. Whether you are a new hair transplant doctor trying to understand and navigate it, HE and hair transplant in Afro Hair, or you are a seasoned hair transplant doctor but want to understand and improve your skill and your craft so you can accept all type of hair in your clinic and be comfortable performing surgery, this event is for you. So mark your calendar for October and join us in Salvador, Bahia in Brazil for an unforgettable experience. See you there.